So, in the beginning of 2024, you had a bunch of goals such as making a lot of money, getting new clients, being financially free, stop going to the university, stop going to high school, all of that. But we're basically in the middle of the year and you're still confused. You haven't improved in your editing journey. And well, this is video is here for you. So why you're not improving? I have three reasons for that, and we're gonna start now. First of all, you think that it's not really for you. Even if you want it, you just maybe saw that it's trending and you started learning it and you feel like it's not good for you or it's not made for you, or maybe you don't have the equipment, the good laptop, all of that stuff. Well, what I would suggest is you actually try it for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month. Give it a try, give it some time, give it some energy, and try to change your view about it. I would also suggest to actually review the goal itself. Like, do you really want to learn a skill and actually put on a lot of effort and time and energy on it just for the sake of actually learning something special? Or are you doing it just because it's trending and yeah, you just want like the easy money thing? Because if you want the easy money thing, I would actually suggest a classical work, because such skills actually requires time and energy and effort. And if you want something fast, I would, like I said, suggest a classical job like a 9 to 5 or something. So, reason number two is you're actually scared to waste time. This is why you're not really starting. You're just wondering if this is actually the right skill you want to learn, if maybe it's gonna get overrated, maybe it's gonna get oversaturated, maybe AI will get over this industry. You're having a lot of thoughts about it. Don't think like that. Actually, this is the thing. A lot of people will actually learn a skill, even if maybe it's gonna not be used at some point in their lives. But the fact that you actually learned something will actually make it easier for you to learn something else through this journey. And also, just the fact that you're learning something makes you ahead of 99% of the people around you. So actually, you're better than them. Even if, okay, you learned it, it wasn't something that you actually liked it. Well, now you actually know what you don't like. And this is something a lot of people don't know. A lot of people don't know what they like to do, don't know what they don't like to do. They don't know any of that. And here you are, you just learned something and you actually learned more about yourself and more about what you deeply want. So it's never a waste of time to learn a new skill. It's never a waste of time to actually make an effort on working on something. Okay? The reason number three is to actually, because you don't have some type of what I call internal and external reasons. What I mean by internal reason is basically you're not really sure if it's good or not, if you want to really learn it, or is it just for the money, as I said. And external is more like about who you are deeply. Like maybe you can't really learn because you're not really focused. Maybe you can't learn because you're like distracted. It's hard for you to sit down and do something. Um, it's around all of that. So, what I would actually suggest is to actually start focusing on maybe reducing your screen time and like trying to like reduce something that we actually call the dopamine percentage that you get during the day. So, like, instead of staying on your phone a lot, maybe watching short form content and everything, you try to like meditate, journal, write. This actually helps you clear your mind and actually help you focus. Also, the food maybe that you actually eat, um, I would suggest to eat something that's maybe less processed, um, such as fruits, or something that you actually like know what is it, instead of like a cookie when you don't really know what is it. You just know it tastes good, but you don't really know what makes it taste good. Like, yeah, it's sugar, and what else? You know what I mean? Like, try to focus on what you eat, and how you spend your time, and this actually helps you set more clearer goals and help you focus on them better. And yeah, I hope that this helps. I want to get deeper in this, but maybe I'll do it on other videos. In the meantime, I really would suggest that you actually start focusing on yourself, such as maybe sleeping early, journaling, meditating, eating healthy. And while you're journaling, you're just thinking about what you really want, something that's really deep inside of you, like what's your main goal, how do you see yourself in 10 years maybe. And this actually help you set better goals, and that actually would motivate you to actually start learning video editing. This is something I did. um I wanna, like, at this point I actually want to make enough money so that when I'll be like 30 years old, I won't need to actually work. And maybe if I'll be like a mother or something, I won't need to work, and I won't put like the pressure on my partner. And yeah, that actually motivates me a lot. And also, like, I guess having a lot of money as a girl um will actually help my family members as well. And yeah, that's something that's actually really motivating, and that's what led me to actually be disciplined and learn video editing on a daily basis. Also, what I eat, usually I wake up early. I don't eat much. I don't eat at all until like 9 a.m. And when I'm not eating, I'm actually focused on my work. So when I eat at 9, it's just now I'm chilling during the day. This is a little quick advice for you. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.